Hey guys, what's up? Shy here. So we're gonna be doing a vlog today because, you know, why not? Like, we're coming back to YouTube, and you know, we just wanna be on a different level. So we're gonna do a vlog today. Yeah, we just got a couple of places we want to go and get some more stuff for our place, you know, to make it feel like home. Because right now, guys, our place, I mean, the bedroom is okay. Like, we got stuff here, the bed, I gotta make up the bed and everything, but yeah, we just want to get some more things to make our apartment feel like home, because we still have like boxes. Well, we don't have boxes of stuff still laying around, because when we moved, I was literally like putting stuff up as we were moving in. So like, for example, like our closet is how our closet looks so far, just for now. But I'm the type of person, like, I like to get it done. I don't want boxes to be sitting around for 3 months and it's like coming home looking at boxes. I don't want to keep doing it. So as we were moving, I was kind of like putting stuff up as we were moving to make it a little easier and everything. So we got a few places. I know I want to go to Hobby Lobby for sure, because I saw online, or I saw like an ad or something, they had like picture frames that I was kind of looking for. I went to Target, I went to Walmart. They either had 2 of the picture frames I'm looking for, or they didn't have any at all, and I need 3 of the same picture frames. So we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby. We're gonna go to Target for some things. I don't know if we're going to Walmart or whatever, but for sure we're going to Target and we're going to Hobby Lobby. There goes SyVon.
Hello. What's up? You was talking about me?
Yeah, I was talking about you.
What you was saying?
Because I was waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, because you got to get the day started, right?
Man,
What time is it? I woke up at 5. It's 10:35 a.m. What time you woke up?
I woke up at 9:30.
But still, though.
I woke up at
Early
9.
bird get the most word.
Whatever, dude. So yeah, guys, right now Javon's looking at his sports channel on TV.
I'm trying to find it on my phone, but I can't find it.
What? This?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, great. What's on my homeboy?
So yeah, I was just telling that we got a few places to go because we're still like, you know, fixing up the place and getting it feeling like home. Right now our living room is like so empty. The only thing we have in here really is the couch and TV.
You got a mirror.
And a mirror.
You got some bags over there.
Babe, I'm saying like as far as like stuff that's gonna be standing, like sitting.
You got the lights over there and the light bulb in the box that you haven't set up yet. So there's more than one stuff in the living room.
Babe,
boom. I'm
saying stuff that's already like,
no, I know what you mean.
Put up. So yeah, we got the TV set up. We got it mounted on the wall. We got that mounted with like the same week or something, the week after or whatever.
The same week.
The same week we moved, we got that TV mounted.
About 7 days. About the same week.
About the same week.
Yeah.
And then we got our couch in when we moved, so that's been sitting here since we moved. And we bought a full body mirror because we need a full body mirror, period. And I love it. Yeah, that's what we got. That's what we got going on. So right now, guys, we finna cook breakfast. It's 10. What time is it, babe? 10:30. He always said it. It's 10:37, and we're about to cook breakfast. So right.
So late.
So late. I know.
2 hours lunchtime.
And your point, babe. Breakfast for lunch and dinner.
I don't eat breakfast all day like you. For me, my breakfast got me from between 6 and 9 a.m.
6 and 9. 6.
6 a.m. to 9 a.m.
John.
Matter of fact, 6 to probably 8. I gotta have enough time for lunch.
So yeah, guys, like I was saying, we're about to make breakfast. We finna make some sausage. Well, he said he don't know about sausage, but I'll probably just do one for me. Some pancakes, some eggs, and some plantains. That's what we finna have for breakfast right now. And then I'm gonna make me some coffee. And yep, that's what we got going on. Babe, come on, you gonna come over here?
You can't.
Nope, come on, I don't know how to cook. Okay, so this one is for the pancakes, that one's for the eggs, that one's for the plantains.
Hey, you
Just cut the plantains.
messed, babe, I got about 20 minutes, man.
What?
You messing up my thing. Guys, I watch my little sports joints in the morning from 8:30 to 11.
Look at it.
10:30. It's 10:41 right now. You messing up my joint. Alright? I need to finish my whole sports channel right now.
Whatever. Alright guys, so we have about everything in the pan. Look at him.
Oh,
But yeah, big feet.
I'm sorry, moving downstairs. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Ooh, babe, look at that. Pretty. Pretty. Ooh.
Stop it, man.
Alright, give me some for
This
this.
little bit ass pot for the eggs?
Yes, pump me
This
some.
little bit ass pot for the eggs, girl?
And what about it? Give me that before this thing burn up now.
Babe, this a little bit ass pot for
Post
the
some in there. I'm gonna use every. Okay.
Stop.
All
This
right.
a little bit ass pot for the eggs, bro.
I'm gonna use every pot that came in that set.
Babe, you need a big. Look at my eggs over there. Look at my eggs over there. Look,
Big.
look.
Javon, it's not that much.
Hey, bring the camera though. Y'all cheat. Show the camera. Look at all that. How many eggs? How many eggs is that?
That was 4.
In this little ass pot.
Babe, we finna see. Always yelling.
You trying to
Look,
finesse.
look.
Guys, show the camera. Show me the camera. Guys, I have 6 eggs left. 6 eggs, right? Check that boy. Baby, you want all 6 eggs? I'm like, 6 eggs.
Y'all, I can eat eggs. I eat eggs.
I'm gonna say the 4. I'm gonna look at big ass pot. Oh, look at this.
What?
Let's go with some plantain.
That fool said, show my plantain.
I don't really like all these plantains looking, cause they're gonna look hard. No homo.
They're gonna look hard. Okay, now I'm finna put the eggs in because that's gonna need to cook a little bit.
Bro, I need about 6 pancakes making them them small.
Babe.
Hey, look at my
Oh,
plan.
this can make a good omelet, this pot.
Yeah, you better make sure. Guys, look for me. Yeah,
There's like onions in here.
look at my plantain, man. Busting for me.
Alright guys, so the breakfast is done. He's a big old kid. So the breakfast is done. So this is how it looks. We got pancakes, sausage, plantains, and eggs.
Want some?
How does sausages taste? They hot. I just took them out.
Right here.
Yeah. So guys, I got my. He kind of annoyed me at the last clip. He was annoying me, y'all.
Get used to it. Guys, she was. This is what she was, guys. This is what she was. Y'all see him? Cook it yourself, Javon. Cook it yourself. Guys, that's what she was. She let me, I tried to turn the camera on, but it was blurred. She let me in there by myself. I'm like, fine, I eat this food by myself.
Y'all, look. I'm cramping, okay? I'm cramping. I get irritated quickly. I'm trying to make him some breakfast, and he's talking about my eggs. It wasn't enough eggs. And then he's talking about some with the pancakes. But look. Stealing. What you stealing my food?
This is my food.
Nah, that's my food. I cooked all that for me.
Oh, your food.
That's all my food. I cooked all that for me. I cooked all that for me.
Get my plantains in.
What to do? You can have the plantain. I got pancake, eggs, and sausages. Look. Nah, what should I say? They flat? So yeah, right now I'm just warming up my water so I can have my coffee. He's eating his food right now, and yeah. Okay, y'all. So
I know you're good now.
we just finished breakfast, right?
Hell, there's more published for
And
background checks.
y'all, every time we eat, this is what happens.
That's not the point. The language of this bill is so broad, my people tell me it's a slippery slope.
I know. We're gonna fix it in the house.
But I have to vote for the bill as...
He is knocked out. All right, guys, so we are headed out of the house. First stop I think we're gonna go is to the post office because we have to return a TV stand that we bought from Amazon. When we set the TV stand up and everything, it was so small, like it looked like a freaking... Y'all see how the TV, where the TV is at? And then boom, the TV stand was like where that plug is at, like where the plug is plugged in at. That's how high the TV stand was. So it would have been that big old gap right in between the TV and the TV stand. And so we would have had to try to find like either a vase or something tall enough to make it look like it's not so freaking empty or whatever. So we're just gonna take it back, and we're probably gonna go to like a furniture place to find a TV stand that we actually like and that'll actually be big enough. So yeah, this is what we're doing now. Babe, to tape this box up, baby, he makes sure ain't nothing gonna fall out of that thing.
This joint is heavy.
That thing is heavy, honey. So yeah, we finna try to take this back first. We had already got our refund and everything back. When I told babe we got our refund, he was like, wait, they refunded us the money already even though we still have the product? I'm like, yeah, that was weird. But we got the money back and we still have the product. So we just made it to the post office. Hi, babe. Hi. So yeah, we're finna go in there right now and see if we can ship this thing off. Hopefully we ain't gotta pay that much to ship it off.
Cause that thing is heavy.
That thing is heavy. Oh my gosh, y'all. What if the thing was $163? What if we gotta spend, babe? What if it costs $100 to ship it?
When I was thinking that, remember you said they send the money back, right?
Yeah.
Not quick. But then I was like, what if it costs over $100 to ship it back?
Man, I'm gonna be like, look, we're at the gas station right now. We're at Buc-ee's getting some gas. So we just left we left the FedEx place because they said they don't ship. So we're actually shipping this product back we got it through Amazon, and we're trying to ship it back to the seller that works with Amazon that sent us this TV stand. So we went to FedEx. They said they don't ship it. They don't ship this one back because it's going to China. So we went to the UPS store. Guys, when I tell you I'm so irritated, well, not irritated, but I'm just like, because they're trying to charge us. Okay, so she said that at like a regular post office, they're going to charge us $200 to send it back. Who finna pay $200 to ship this thing back when we only paid $163 to get the product? Come on now. So she said the post office will be $200 and the UPS store will be between $300 and $400 to send it back. You had me at $200. Now you talking about $300 to $400 to ship something back to somewhere we only paid $163? Are you kidding me? So, y'all, I'm a little irritated at that one, because it's like, bro, we didn't even spend that much to get the product, and now we have to spend 3 times as much to send it back. Like, I feel like if they would have said that in like the product description, we would have, been a little bit more careful in picking the TV stand that we actually want. Because mind you, like I said, the TV stand wasn't like a good height for us, and that one is on our end. That's our fault because we didn't pay attention to the height and stuff, because we bought the TV. So I figured out we bought the TV stand before we actually moved. So that means we bought it before we had the TV mounted up on the wall.
We ain't gonna talk about it. I went to Buc-ee's for the first time.
What happened?
And I was lost.
I literally
walk around because as soon as I walked in, right, I seen we walked in and they out in the front, they're checking out.
Yeah.
I see people checking out with juices and stuff. I'm like, wait, where do I go? So I walk. I'm like, I ain't gonna go. Look if there's on the check any more check line. I ain't seen no more. So I'm like, wait, this is the only one. I'm like, hey, can I get this and this on this number? He's like, okay, sure. He's like, this your car on the screen? I'm like, huh? And they show the car on the screen.
Oh yeah, they do that. I forgot. Like, y'all, I haven't been to Buc-ee's in so long because I only go.
But this is my first time in Buc-ee's.
This is first time in Buc-ee's, y'all. I've been to Buc-ee's only like on a road trip type of thing. Like, that's the only time I'll stop at Buc-ee's, but I haven't really been to Buc-ee's in like years. So I forgot to tell him like that's how they do it. Like, they'll actually show you your card to make sure that that's the right pump that you're trying to pay for and everything. But yeah, guys, long story short, we're still trying to figure out how we're going to send this TV stand back. So yeah, it's a headache. But now we're finna actually go do the stuff that we need to do today. So we just made it inside of Hobby Lobby, and Javon's nervous to vlog.
I'm not nervous.
Matter of fact, let me take my shades off.
I don't like vlogging around people.
He don't like vlogging around people.
Guys, imagine holding the camera in front of people. What do you think you're gonna make them look like?
I mean, everybody knows about YouTube by now, so.
Yeah, but not everybody like being in the camera.
True. Oh, this coffee mug is cute. It says "Be Yourself." Y'all, I can't wait until like fall, Christmas, those type of events, because baby, I'm ready to decor. I'm ready to buy some fall decor. Okay guys, so we came here for picture frames. Well, I came here specifically for picture frames. We need 16 by 20. What you think about this one, babe? This is cute, right? What you think of that one?
This is the picture going there?
And you just stand it up. We have these pictures that we got off our registry that I want to hang on the wall, but I'm trying to find a good wall photo frame. I don't want it to be chunky looking. I want it to be slim and sleek looking. But we need a 16 by 20 because that's what size the pictures are, 16 by 20. I don't see any big picture frames. So maybe if I ask somebody, they'll try. Found somebody. Let's go ask him if he know. I think I see something. Y'all, Javon don't want to record in here. He don't want to vlog.
What?
You don't want to vlog?
I thought not flying.
16 by 20. You want to get black or which color do you want to? I only see black. Oh, okay. This is skinny too, babe. Feel it. It's skinny and lightweight, so it won't pull on the wall. And then these are pretty cool. Oh, these look chunky looking. What you think of these, babe? I'm recording him now since he don't want to hold it. Oh, those white ones look pretty nice. I like how the border looks around that one. This one right here.
Yeah, this one not bad.
That one's. They have 3 of those.
3 or what?
Those white ones.
Oh, you need 3?
Yeah, we need 3.
You don't get that one?
We can get those, yeah. So guys, we're gonna go with these right here because I like the little white border. But okay, maybe this is like the 16 by 20 thingy, and then it'll still have the white border around it. If it does, I like it. Okay, y'all, so I had mentioned to Javon earlier before we left the house that I wanted to get like a little bin or like a basket thingy for the top of the toilet to, like, you know how they put like toilet paper, air fresheners and wipes inside like the little storage bins. So, oh, okay, kind of scared me a little bit. So I think we found some, like something like this little thingy. Oh, so I was thinking like something like this. Like, you see how this got like the little divider thingy? We can probably put like, I don't know about this color, but something like this to put on top of the toilet. So we can put toilet paper, and then like some wipes and some air freshener. So I don't know about this. Babe, you like this one? Or not this one?
No, the black, that's black.
I think it's like a black.
Yeah, I'm colorblind.
It's $50.
Put it back. Wait, how much is that one you picked up?
23.
Will Leticia fit in there though?
I don't know if it'll fit right here because I don't know. I don't think it'll fit. I would need more.
What about that one up there?
This one?
No, up top. Yeah.
Oh, it has 2. Is it both of these? 16? Oh no. Ouch. I don't know if this would be too long. Oh, maybe something like this.
Can't fit two.
This was 20.
That's not bad. Alright guys, we're in Office Depot now. Yeah, if you guys don't know, I need me a gaming chair, so we're finna go look in Office Depot, see if we can find me a gaming chair. What are you looking behind me for?
I don't know. I thought I saw somebody coming in.
Look nervous.
Nah, man, you good, boo. For this, 600 for this.
It's the one thing though. But guys, I will pass.
Bruh,
I see some chairs online for like 140 or less. So they really got nothing else up in here. But yeah, it looked like Office Depot could be a quick little look and dip because we done. You see what you like?
I don't like none of these. These like regular office chairs.
Yeah, guys, I need that game. I saw some gaming chairs online, but I didn't want to buy it online. I wanted to like get it like today now so I can set it up. But might have to buy it online and go from there. But yeah, we finna get out of here though.
This boy here. Okay, y'all, so we came to Target. So look at him. Okay, so we decided to come to Target and get some stuff. Oh, they have these scrub daddies, scrub mamas. Scrub a dub dub.
Pull up on there. Wop, 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 wop. You gonna do?
You so no, I don't.
Let's go bang something.
Oh Lord. Okay, so yeah. So we decided to come to Target to get some things. Well, mainly this right here. I needed these for, I saw on Pinterest that instead of like putting holes in the wall to hang up the curtains and stuff, you can just use these little broom come in hanging thingies. You can use this and pop the curtain rod in it. We still have to get a Oh, that's cool. I like that now. Look.
Fancy.
Do it again, babe. Ah. 25. That's why it's $25. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna get these. Look, he always breaking something.
They have the other kind too.
Breaking stuff.
No.
Oh. Oh, so that one is 17. That one's 25. So what's that? Oh, that's the plunger. Okay. I don't know why, but I just like how those look. Those look really like, I don't know, modern, cute.
Let me get that now.
You sure? Oh, they have these for the dishes, but we already bought soap.
We thinking about this here?
Wow.
Dishes? Man, we can get this. We ain't gonna say where, but you know where.
Okay. So.
Or it's too simple for you. You know you bougie.
I'm not bougie, but I don't like
me or you?
You?
You guys, she's very bougie.
I am not bougie. I just like how those look.
Come right here. Come right, guys. Let's go for the little cheap joint for $9.99. Just want to go. Well, no.
Exactly. It's still $10. So guys, we made it home already. So we got tired. Babe got hungry and thirsty. How are our little home shopping day went, babe?
We're okay.
It went okay. Y'all, he was getting tired.
I was getting tired.
You wasn't getting tired? You was hungry. Well, thirsty.
Guys, it is 5:43, and I haven't drank nothing literally all day. No water, no juice, nothing. You know, and it was hot.
It is hot.
And then I sat in the back seat of the truck, right? And then I was like this, and it got me dizzy. And I was just like, the day's over. I'm ready to go home. It's more so because I haven't drunk anything.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the reason why, but
it probably is. You just
I felt like I got a small headache, and I was like.
But yeah, guys, so I just came on here to end the vlog because we're done for today. Right now, we just finna chill and relax and everything. And this is everything that we got. We only went to Hobby Lobby. We went to Target. We also went to other couple places that we was looking for stuff, but we didn't really find nothing there. So yeah, thank you guys for coming along with us as we shop for our new place, as we get it together. And we hope you like these type of videos from us. We hope you like vlogs from us and everything, whatever. Ain't nobody worrying about him, period. And yeah, we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.